Hello, welcome back to Dina's World. Today I'm going to unbox something new. It's surprise. Let's check.
I'm going to do
Two pieces are there. One, two. One is red and one is black. Let's open black first. Yes. Da. Let's check. Two hairbands, two self-designed. You can do more hairstyles with this. How is this? Cost of this combo pack is $3.98, each one $1.99. If you want to buy this one, I will give the link in description box. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, comment and share to your friends. If you want my notifications, please click the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Bye. See you in next video.